So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can install Beast font in Kinemaster. And if you want this video for PC, so please comment down and do a very delicious like. So for doing this you need three apps: ZArchiver, Google and main Kinemaster. Now open Google and search for the fonts, as I am searching the font, and click on the first link. You will redirect to the website and search here for the text Komika Axis, Komika space AXIS, and click on search. Now you will see this text. It's really look same to the Beast text that he used in his video. Now click on download and your download will start and instantly download. Now open it with the help of ZArchiver. Now there will be two files, TTF and TXT. You need to use TTF file. Now firstly extract the zip file to a folder. Here you will see a folder named Komika_Axis. Open it and remain like this. Now open Kinemaster. It is the latest version of Kinemaster. Now click on new project and I am giving the name Beast font, as we are creating Beast font and the ratio is 16:9. Click on create. Now take a black video from image assets and now go on layer and click on text. Now here I am taking the text Beast. Okay, and now resize it. The text font will be not applied to this text. Okay, so need to go on font and click on add. Now select the file, TTF file, where you have saved it. I have saved in the Komika Axis folder and here TTF. Now click on this. The download will start and instantly download. Now your font is added. Now go back and now simply delete this font. Now click on layer, again add a new text, and now you can see we have a wonderful Beast text. So if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment and do subscribe. And if you want more creators text, so please comment down. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. This video was a part of Grow with Algrow challenge. So